Hello, I gotta move because today I'm going to hairdresser and also later we're going for some shopping because yeah, I kind of have not much left here to eat and I gotta get prepared because tomorrow I'm going on a trip. So let's go. So I'm making a small stop at McDonald's because I'm a bit hungry now and I'm just after the haircut. I'm gonna eat a bit and then continue. So I found very good quality headphones and I haven't had headphones for so long and I really love headphones actually. And I'm very happy that I found them because it was in promotion, but there was not anymore like any of them. It was so hard to find, but the seller helped me and after like 10 minutes we found the last one, so I'm happy about it. That's cool. I'm not gonna buy anything, but I gotta check always. I see some promotions here. So my favorite shoes ever are Jordans, of course. Look at that. But the best to dance are these ones, Air Max. I really love dancing in Air Max. As I got a big discount for the headphones, then I'm going to look for a case for it because I'd like to protect them, but I can't find any place that is like selling these kind of things. And in the same shop I was, they didn't have any cases anymore, so let's see. I'm in TK Maxx. There's everything here, so maybe I can find something like that. Can't see it anywhere. Oh my god, nope. Protein. Hello. Gonna take a shower to remove all of this small hair everywhere after getting the cut. Today I'm making a butter chicken with rice, so it's time for Indian food.
Après la palabre, il ressemble un peu, en gros c'est des... Every single week into my home to teach me something that I don't know about editing. And two obvious ways to start a montage. So much so that when I get client briefs, they normally just say...
Dun, da, da, da. So these headphones are really cool. There is a noise cancelling thing there, and if I click on the second button, now I have ambient aware and I don't need to scream anymore because I can hear myself and hear everything that is around and I don't have to take off the headphones. This is a very weird feeling. It's kind of like, you know, when you're recording music, you have these music headphones, and when you're singing, you're hearing yourself at the same time, not to sing in tune actually. And this is the feeling I have now. Maybe it's why it's called JBL Tune. I don't know, but it's really nice. Also, the sound quality is really good. Bass, everything is really good. Like, I'm happy about this one. That's cool.